Looking for a mechanical keyboard that gives you a real edge? The CORSAIR CHERRY MX RGB keyboard delivers precision, speed, and customization that serious gamers demand. Its mechanical key switches with gold contacts provide ultimate performance while cutting noise by 30%, so you get crisp feedback without distracting clatter. What sets this keyboard apart is its 8 MB onboard profile storage. That means you can save your lighting setups and hardware macros directly to the keyboard, taking your personalized gaming profiles wherever you go. No need to reinstall or reconfigure on different machines. The per-key RGB backlighting lets you create vibrant, dynamic lighting effects tailored to your style or game. With virtually unlimited customization through CORSAIR's iCUE software, you can synchronize lighting across your entire setup, from peripherals to fans, making your battlestation truly stand out. Multimedia and volume controls are conveniently dedicated, so you can adjust your audio without breaking focus during intense gameplay. Plus, the USB pass-through port offers easy access for your mouse, headset, or other devices, keeping your desk clutter-free and your gear connected. I've tested this keyboard extensively, and the response time is impressively fast, whether typing or gaming. The red switches provide a satisfying light click, noticeable but not loud, striking the perfect balance between feedback and quiet operation. Just a heads up, the keyboard is solidly built, so disassembling it isn't simple. Keep liquids away to avoid any mishaps. If you're ready to elevate your setup with a keyboard that combines durability, customization, and pro-grade performance, this CORSAIR mechanical keyboard is worth a look. It's designed to keep up with your competitive edge and adapt to your style effortlessly. Take control of your gaming experience with CORSAIR's CHERRY MX RGB mechanical keyboard. From customizable lighting to onboard profile storage and dedicated controls, it's built for gamers who want both precision and personality in their gear. Try it when you're ready to level up.